Hello my friends, thanks for joining me. Today I am working on a design team project using the beautiful kit called August Roses, and it was created by Jenifer of A Trace of Sparkle. I also want to give a shout out to Lene of Fashionably 50 Something and also Sundown of Sundown's Crafty Ventures. They sent me Maggie Holmes ephemera and requested that I do a Maggie Holmes Journal. So I wanted to combine this with my design team project because both of these papers go so well together, and I'm excited to create something beautiful using both. Plus the ephemera that those two wonderful ladies had sent to me. But we are here to talk about a hack using a hole punch. So you know when we have tickets, and we get tickets in kits, in ephemera packs, all that kind of stuff. Well, sometimes we have to cut those tickets out, and sometimes it's not so easy. So I use a hole punch because it's already round, and I'll go in there and I'll cut it. Now on big tickets like this, I had to cut a couple of times, but on small tickets, it's usually just one punch and you're done. For me, it's much easier than using scissors. Sometimes I just can't get the perfect round shape using scissors. Now you can see on the small ones how quickly it goes when I just punch that hole right there. Well, it's a half of a hole, and it just goes super quick and super easy. I wanted to mention that I also use them on things like this. These are words and they're on plaques, but the plaques have like this rounded, the whole edge isn't rounded, just like the corners are rounded. And it's just so easy to go in with my hole punch, create those rounded edges, and not have to do it with my scissors. It would take 5 times longer for me to do it with my scissors. So I definitely want to share that hack with you guys. I hope that you enjoy that and you're able to use that, and it might make your crafty time a little bit quicker. I'm going to go through and I'm going to ink these pieces of ephemera, and then I'm going to show you some pictures of how these tickets look inside of the finished journal. Now this is part of my series. I'm calling it the Garden Party series, and this is the second video in the series. I'll have some more videos coming up, so keep an eye out for that, and I will also have a flip through of this journal at the end of the series. Here are a few of the tickets placed in the journal. Friends, I appreciate you popping over to check out my hack. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you soon.